Good morning friends and welcome to this new video. No, I'm not going skiing, even though it looks like I am, but here today I am in Castelletto di Branduzzo at the Sette Laghi track. This is an international track, it's very famous. A lot of races are held here, like the WSK or the Rock Finals. This is a very famous car track here in Italy. As you can see, there is no people today at the track. You can think, wow, that's cool, you can have the track all for yourself. Yes, but the problem is today it's moist, so it will take longer for the track to dry with no people going around the track. So it will be more difficult to get the tires up to temperature and do good lap times. Today I'm gonna use the green Vega tires, which are the tires that I'm going to use in my championship, in the Italian Street Circuit Championship. This is not an ideal tire to use here. It is a medium hard tire, so it'll be more slippery compared to the white Vega or the Lecon tires that is generally used on this track. So I don't expect the lap times to be that quick. But I thought, well, you're gonna use that tire, so it's better if you train with that tire, looking forward to the championship rather than having a soft tire here and going for a good lap time on this track that is not in the championship calendar. Hello guys, so we have a couple of news here today. Apart from the van, which is the brand new van of Giovanni, which I'm gonna show you in a later video when we have all the sticker and the wrapping done. I got myself a new Alfano 6. I bought this so I can bring you more exciting content, more professional telemetry in the following videos. I have made a video review of this product in another video. I will leave you the link to the video in the description box below, where I test this on the track as well as unboxing it in my room and give you some feedback. So now I'm gonna get suited up and go on the track. Ok, slippery. Okay. Qua ha perso proprio. Non potevo neanche prenderlo quello. Bene, now we'll go back on track. Let's see how it goes, guys. It is still really wet. In reality it's not too wet, but it is moist on very fast corners, so it's easy to lose it. Qui bisogna evitare la pozza. guys, here we are. It was an interesting session. The track is still moist in some points. You have to avoid some puddles, so you cannot really lap as fast as you would. But what can I say? Yeah, I'm on a very used Lecon tire. I went out 5 times with it. Really, it is. I brought it here just as a warm-up. I knew the track would be moist, so I said I'm gonna use that tire just to dry up the track. I did a 51.4, which is okay considering that you cannot take the dry line in some parts of the track. It's good. It's a nice day. The sun finally is out, so it will dry up. I wanted to bring you some content about tire pressure and how to manage the tires during the day, how to read the tires, but unfortunately with this track it won't be very easy to do that because the tires will not behave in a normal way. I would do that in the afternoon maybe if there is time and if the track will allow it. For now I'm gonna go out again with the LeConte, and hopefully when the track will be dry we will go on the Green Vega and start the training for the season. There's not much time left to learn. Every day counts from now because each training session is important and has to be exploited at its maximum. Okay guys, it is finally time for a tire change. My old LeConte are really done. There is nothing left in them, so it's time to change them. The track is now almost dry. I lowered my lap time to a 50.10, which is okay considering the day. Now I'm gonna swap to my Green Vegas, which are a bit less grippy. Well, actually I don't know because they are not brand new, but they've done a race. And I bought them used. I always buy my training tire used. There's no point for me to buy them new. And see how it goes. I already noticed that in some of the hairpins I had some understeer in the entry. I would like to turn in with a little bit more confidence. So I will probably do some setup changes in the next session. Of course, there is no point doing a change now because I haven't tried a go-kart with a different tire. So I will do some laps with the Green Vegas and then come back and give some feedback to the team and see what we can change to improve it. Let's go for a lap in Castelletto with the Green Vegas. Mi dai una spintarella? Okay guys, so let's see how this new Vegas, well new, used Vegas perform. Sovrasterzo l'ingresso adesso. E sotto sterzo è uscita, una merda. It's not good guys, not good. This tire is completely different and behaves completely different from the previous Vega. So we have to make some changes. So now Michele is working on the front end of the go-kart. We are making some adjustment here. I don't know if you can see. This is called the sniper. It's the new way of making adjustments to the front end of the kart. What we're gonna do, we're gonna reduce the caster, so the kart will be less reactive while turning in. Now we have a little bit too much caster. Now we're gonna bring it back, so the steering will feel a bit lighter and will bite a little bit less in the turn in. Then what we're gonna do, then we're gonna reduce the front end track of the go-kart so that it will bite a little bit more at the corner exit. Now I will give a hand to Michele in making these changes, and then I'm gonna try the kart and see if these changes were positive or negative. So how do we regulate the caster? We have to undo this bolt here. Well, I'll move here so I'll let Michele work. I don't know if you can see. And then you can move this bolt either in the front, decreasing the caster, or at the back, which means increasing the caster. Then you redo the bolt and the game is on. For the front width, you just simply have to undo this nut here, this bolt here, and move. As you can see here, there are some lines. So now I'm 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna reduce the track by bringing the hub one line in. So okay guys, day is over. I'm here at the Marshall post in the middle of the track. To be honest, I am a little bit disappointed. I am disappointed with myself because whilst on the first set of tires I was confident and knew how to drive that tire around this track, on the harder tire I was struggling. It is true that I also used the green tire at the end of the day, so I was quite tired myself and probably couldn't express my driving at its best. The only thing I know is that there is a lot of work to be done, both on my driving and also on the kart setup. Time is not a lot, the season is about to begin, so it will be a big push for me. Also, my physique is not at its best, my neck struggles a lot. Okay, this is a really heavy track on your neck, especially the first corner that from the video doesn't look too tight, but it actually is. You take it quite fast. It's not gonna be an easy season, but I will do my best. I will do it for myself and for you, to bring you exciting content each week. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe down here. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I also have a Twitch page where I will be playing racing games weekly. Sometimes the streaming will be in Italian, sometimes in English. Of course, if you're right, I will answer you anyway, so please come by and follow me on my Twitch channel as well. If you haven't, go watch my Italian channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. There's many videos made in Italian, about 30 videos. All videos have English subtitles, so you can understand what happened before I opened this English channel. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. Full gas, pedal to the metal, always. Ciao!